Objective. Check that the mesh normals are all uniform and facing the correct direction. Before flattening, you can choose which side of the pattern will face upwards by setting the mesh normal direction using Rhino's Analyze Direction command. If the mesh normals points inwards, the flattened pattern will be mirrored, placing sewing marks and instructions on the back side of the fabric. If the mesh normals points outwards, the visible side of the fabric will face up in the flattened pattern. Check the mesh normal directions before flattening to ensure the patterns are orientated the way you want. In this case, we will have the outer face of the fabric facing up. Select the mesh pieces and select the Analyze Directions button. Notice the direction of the arrows. They should be pointing outwards from the mesh. If all of the arrows are facing outwards, click the Enter button to finish the command. Here, to help you visualize, one of the mesh faces' normal directions has been changed to a red color. That mesh piece's normals are facing inwards. Click on that mesh piece to flip the normals back to the outside direction. If all of the mesh pieces are pointing inwards, click the Flip All option in the command line. Now all of your normals are facing outwards. Key result. All mesh normals are facing the desired direction.